Do you know what the definition of a hazardous material is? Hazardous materials are defined as any substance or material which could adversely affect the health, safety, and/or property of the public during transportation. This definition can seem overwhelming and broad, but it doesn't have to be this way. Hazardous materials can be anything from explosive items such as fireworks to toxic substances like pesticides. They're used in our homes, in farming, in the manufacturing industry, among other places. Hairspray, gasoline, nail polish, household cleaners, paint, and batteries. All of these everyday items that you use regularly are hazardous materials. Because these products have the potential to cause harm to the public if used or released improperly, it's very important to transport them with extreme caution and careful preparation. In this module, we'll discuss how to properly transport hazmat loads from pickup to delivery. We'll review what to do before you leave the shipper, what to do while in transport, what to do once you deliver the load, and what to do if you encounter an emergency situation while transporting the load. We'll also explain required company policies for hauling hazmat loads, and finally discuss the importance of hazmat security awareness. Say you've been assigned a hazmat load and now you're at the shipper picking it up. What do you do next? There are 5 important tasks to complete before leaving the shipper with your hazmat load. The first and perhaps most important task is reviewing your shipping papers. Proper shipping papers are a key factor in being compliant with the law. It's required that any hazardous material listed on the bill of lading, or BOL, be designated by either 1. Listing it first on the BOL, 2. Placing an X or check mark in the HM, Hazardous Materials column, or 3. Writing or highlighting it in a contrasting color. If you're using a photocopy of the BOL, make sure to highlight the copy with a colored highlighter. It's also required that the hazardous material being shipped are listed on the BOL in a very specific order. As you look over your shipping papers, ensure that all hazardous materials are listed in the following order. First, the hazardous ID number. Second, the proper shipping name of the material. Third, the hazardous class or division number of the material. And fourth, the packing group number listed in Roman numerals. It should also list the correct weight and piece count of each material shipped, as well as the shipper's certification and emergency response phone number. If you notice a mistake, misprint, or incomplete information on the paperwork, notify the safety hotline. You're in violation and subject to a fine or getting put out of service if you roll with a hazardous load with incorrect shipping papers. Make sure to store your yellow emergency response guidebook with the shipping papers. This book will help you determine the potential health hazards if there's a spill or leak, or what emergency actions you should take.